Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll show you how to increase PHP post maximum size in cPanel. So before we start the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe. So log into your cPanel and scroll and find software, and under software select PHP version. So this is the PHP selector settings, and here you have to go to options, and in the options you have a lot of settings. You just have to find post max size, and currently it's 8 MB. Click on this drop down and change this to 34 or 64 MB. I'll change this to 16 MB. Now it's changing the post maximum size to 16 MB. There you go, until you see this success message here, and that's it. Now your PHP post maximum size is changed to 16 instead of 8. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.